Put your... Get down on the ground!
2757.
2757.
Yeah, an ETA for that officer who said he's a held that right there. Did he have need of another officer to the possible suspect?
23 Frankie's running westbound on Rosemount from 32nd Street.
On the left side, that's where they were. That's fuck.
And we have 2 officers that
That's us, dude. We need to get that. He's elevated. Take it. Where's he at? Where's he shooting from?
front window, middle window panel.
Door jam. We got a rifle here, but we're gonna just suppression fire and move west.
Where do you want me to put the rounds?
you guys can put suppression low, we'll put suppression high.
Okay, I'm okay with that.
Good with that?
Yeah.
50 in the eye of 34th Street, Rosemont, blocked off. Sheriff 512 to the area.
Just shoot and move, dude.
Okay.
Put him in that door jam.
on you.
Which
Ready?
door?
I'll do top right window. You do left.
Top left.
You do top left. I do top right.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? Go.
Copy. Moving. Go. Right here. All right, move back. Come on. Pull. He's still shooting.
Here's body-worn camera video from 2 sergeants who also utilized cover fire.
I'll do top right window. You do left.
Top left.
You do top left. I do top right.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? Go.
Copy. Moving. Go. Copy. Moving. Right here. All right, move back. Pull. He's still shooting.
Yep. Go for it. Yep.
Push the left of that hand.
I'm not gonna throw you off, man.
I'm gonna slow you and flex my hands.
He's still pulling off, man. I'm not gonna pull you off, man. I don't want to get hurt, man. I'm not gonna pull you off. Alright, thank you for giving me your work, sir. Water, take this right arm. Yeah.
If you're on this, tie up, okay? We're good.
No, yeah, we're good. The water though, right? In a minute. We're gonna get water. We're gonna walk you over here. Water.
Put the cuffs on right here.
Okay.
I got
I'll just put him up for you. I'll just put him up for you guys. No, I'm not. I'll submit it. The other hand. I submit it.
I know. You're good. You're good. Alright, in customs.
Inside.